Yesterday, what did we learn? The 2 by 2 determinant of 1 by 1 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. So, today let us go to the next topic. Is very important topic, 2 marks question, compulsory 2 marks question in our examination. So, what is the concept? Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. So, we have studied that area of a triangle whose vertices are x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 is given by 1 by 2. What is the formula in previous classes? Analytical geometry, two-dimensional geometry. Two-dimensional geometry, find the area of the triangle formed by the 3 vertices formula. 1 by 2 into mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So, now this expression can be written in the form of determinants. So, this continue. The chapter is, what is the chapter? Determinants. So, in the determinants, area of the triangle formula. In the determinants, area of the formula in terms of determinant. The already basic formula. The basic formula is written in the form of determinant. How to write in determinant? Delta is equal to 1 by 2 into first point x1 y1 1, first point first row, second point x2 y2 and 1, x3 y3 and 1. This is, what is the procedure? 3 by 3 matrix determinant by using the expanding method, plus minus by x, by the using the for row 1 row 2 method, row 3 method. Okay, this is the procedure, 3 by 3 matrix determinant. Simple question. Okay, so note points. Since area is a positive quantity, area is always positive. Area is always positive. We always taken the absolute value. The second point, if area is given, use both positive and negative values of the determinant for calculation. So, find the area means using the formula, that value is also always positive. So, okay. Second one is what? Area is given. For example, area of the area of the triangle is 8 or 10. Area is given. Okay, area is given. So, find the value of x, so something, the problem. So, area is given. Use both the positive and negative values of the determinant for the calculation. For calculation, area is given. So, you have to take positive and negative values, both positive and negative value for the calculation. Next, third one, the area of the triangle formed by 3 collinear points is 0. The area of the triangle, 3 collinear points. So, collinear points area 0, because what is the meaning of collinear? Collinear is nothing but the 3 points passing through the same line. Collinear means the 3 points, the any point, 2 points or 3 points, the points are passing through the same line. So, same line means area 0. Non-collinear means the points passing through the different lines form a triangle. Okay, so collinear you have to prove that, show that the 3 points are collinear means determinant area of the triangle 0. This one. So, exercise 4.3. In exercise 4.3, the area of the triangle with vertices at the point given in each of the following. What will given? Find the area of triangle with vertices. So, in the first problem, 3 some bits are there. The 3 bits, 3 points are given. Find the area of the triangle. So, first problem solution. Given that, very important 2 marks question, given that a is equal to 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 means x1 comma y1. No. Next, b is equal to 6 comma 0, x2 y2. c is equal to 4 comma 3, x3 y3. So, therefore, the area the area of triangle. Formula must be right. Formula x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1, x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So formula, so that is equal to 1 by 2 into first x1 y1 1 0 1 x1 y1 1, x2 6 0 1, next 4 3 1. So plus minus plus. What is the procedure? How to find out 3 by 3 determinant? Find out 3 matrix determinant, 3 by 3 matrix determinant. How to find out? By using the first row. Plus minus plus. So first that is equal to 1 by 2 into first 1 plus 1 is plus 1 plus 1 into plus 1 into deleting the first the corresponding row and corresponding column. What is remaining? 0 1 0 1 3 1. Next minus 0 into the corresponding row and the corresponding column will be deleted. 6 1 4 1, 6 1 4 1. Next plus 1 plus 1 into the 1 corresponding column corresponding to 6 0 4 3, 6 0 4 3, 6 0 4 3. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 into cross multiplication, first into last 2. So first into last 0 into anything 0 minus 3 minus 0 plus 1 into cross multiplication, 6 into 3 18 minus 0, 6 3 is 18 minus 4 into 0 0. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 into minus 3 modulus. Okay, minus 3 plus 18 0, 18 minus 0 18, minus 3 plus 18 is equal to 1 by 2 into 15. So that is equal to 15 by 2. The area of the triangle is 15 by 2. This is the area of the triangle, the first model problem. First model problem, only direct 3 points are given. Find out the area of the triangle. This is first problem. The remaining remaining two problems are homework. Next second question. Second problem. Show that the points are collinear. Show that the points A comma B plus C, B comma C plus A and C comma A plus B are collinear. Collinear, how to find out collinear, how to prove collinear? Collinear means what? What is the note number 3? The area of the triangle formed by 3 collinear points is 0. So area of the triangle is 0 means the 3 points are collinear. So area is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is the formula? x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 2 into x1, the first point x1 y1, x2 y2, third point x3 y3, a comma b plus c 1, b c plus a 1, C A plus B 1. Okay, next direct expand method or plus minus plus. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into A into e column e row, corresponding column and corresponding row deleted. So this one doubt anko ee tara C plus A 1 A plus B 1 minus of B plus C plus A minus of B plus C minus of B plus C into B plus C column e row deleted, e column e row B1 C1 B1 C1 plus 1 into e row e column e row deleted B comma C plus A B comma C plus A C comma A plus B. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into A into cross multiplication C plus A into 1 C plus A minus A plus B C plus A into A plus B. Next minus B plus C into this is B into 1 B minus C. Next plus 1 into E 1 into multiply B into A plus B minus C into C plus A B into A plus B minus C into A plus C. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into this is C plus A. So A cancel plus A minus A cancel A into C minus B A into C minus B C minus of plus minus. Next B plus C into B minus C B square minus C square. Next plus 1 into multiply AB B into A B A plus B square B into B square plus B square. Next C into C minus C square minus AC. Okay, C square minus AC. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into AC minus AB minus B square A into C AC minus AB. So minus B square plus C square plus AB plus B square minus C square minus AC plus AC minus C square plus C square plus B square minus AB plus A square. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 0 equal to 0. Area is equal to 0 means what? So the points are collinear. So the points are collinear. Once again we show that the the 3 points are collinear. Collinear means area is equal to 0. Area is equal to 0 means so area 1 by 2 into formula. So x1 is equal to A, y1 is equal to B plus C 1. Next x2 B C plus A 1. Next C A plus B 1. So expanding method plus minus plus. So 1 by 2 into A corresponding row and corresponding column deleted. So C plus A 1 A plus B 1. Next minus of B plus C into column row B1 C1 plus 1 into B C plus A C A plus B. Okay, this is 2 by 2 matrix determinant. How to find out 2 by 2 matrix determinant? So 1 by 2 into A into cross multiplication C plus A into 1 C plus A minus 1 into A plus B is equal to A plus B minus of B plus C, again 2 by 2 matrix B into 1 B minus C into 1 C. Next plus 1 into b into cross multiplication, b into a plus b minus c into c plus a. So 1 by 2 into e plus a minus a cancel, a into c minus into plus minus b minus b plus c into b minus c, b square minus a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square plus 1 into a into b ab plus b square minus c square minus into plus minus ac. So simplification, y into a into c ac minus ab minus into plus minus b square plus c square plus ab plus b square, all are cancelled, 0. So area is equal to 0. Area 0 means the given through 3 points are which points? Collinear points. Collinear points. This is one. This is the two models. First model direct area and the second one is collinear. So this one. Okay. Next method, next problem is find the value of k. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. The area of the triangle is 4. The area of triangle is 4 square units. The area of the triangle is 4 square units, and vertices are k comma 0, 4 comma 0, 0 comma 2, and second bit is minus 2 comma 0, 0 comma 4, 0 comma k. This is the third method. What is the first one? Find the value of k. In first one, no points are given, find the area of the triangle. The second model is collinear, find out collinear. So area of the triangle 0. So third one also, area is given 4 square units. Area is given, so find the value of k. So first bit solution, given area delta is equal to 4. So delta is equal to 4 means area of the triangle 1 by 2 into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 is equal to 4. So that is equal to, in the first problem, first point x1 y1, second point x3 x2 y2, third point x3 y3. So x1 k 0 1, x2 4 0 1, 0 2 1 equal to 4 into 2 e2, this 2 left side 2 goes to right side. So plus minus plus, so that is equal to, not equal to, implies equal to k into k into the corresponding column row. Next 0 1 2 1 minus 0 into your corresponding column row 4 1 0 1 4 1 0 1 plus 1 into e column e row 4002 4002 equal to 82. So that is equal to k into cross multiplication. 0 into 1 0, 1 into 2 2, minus 0 into something 0. Next plus 1 into cross multiplication. 4 into 2 8. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. So k into minus 2 minus 2k minus 2k plus 82 is equal to 82. Minus 2k plus 8 equal to 82. So equal to what? Plus or minus 8. Because of this is 8 and in the note number 3, note number 2, the before note number 2, what is it? Find the area is given when for the calculation of area. So both plus and positive and negative, take both positive and negative when the area is given. The area is given, the value is positive and negative, plus or minus 82. This is also plus or minus 82. So that is equal to minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 1's plus 8, minus 2k plus 8 equal to 1's minus 8. Two values plus or minus. So 8 to 8 cancel. K is equal to minus 2k is equal to 0. So k is equal to 0. Next, minus 2k is equal to minus 8 to minus 8 is equal to minus 16. So minus minus cancel. 2k is equal to 16. K is equal to 82. Therefore k is equal to 0 or 8. K is equal to 0 or 8. This one. This is which type third method? Find the value of k means so that the area of the triangle is taken plus or minus both because by the given the note. This is the third model. Next fourth question. Find equation of line. Find equation of line joining. Find equation of line joining 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 3, 6. 1, 2 and 3, 6. Using determinants. Using determinants. So find the equation of a line joining the points 2. Actually straight line 2 point form ಇದೆ. So find the equation of a line. So find the equation of the line. So that is equal to, equation means what? Solution. This is first x y. Equation is nothing but in terms of, equation is nothing but equal to 0. Equation 1 by 2 into first let xy, x1 y1 1, x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 equal to 0. Let x comma y, let x comma y be a point on the line. Point on the line. Let x comma y. So find the equation of a line means the equation of a line in terms of x comma y and equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number. Straight line equation. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The equation in terms of xy and equal to 0. So here also equal to 0. Only 2 points are given. In the area of the triangle, how many points are required? 3 points are required. First 3 points are required, so the 2 points are will given. So the third point is let x comma y be any point on the line. So the point xy. So that is equal to first point x y 1. This is the first point. This is second point and third point. So second point is 1 2 1. Next to 3 6 1 equal to 0. Okay, let x comma y be a point on the line. So x plus minus plus. So x into plus x into e column e row. Determinant of 2 1 6 1 minus y into e column e row. Column row deleted. So 1 1 3 1 plus 1 into e column e row. So 1 2 3 6 1 2 3 6 equal to 0. So x into cross multiplication 2 into 1 2 minus 6 minus y into 1 minus 3 1 into 1 minus 3 plus 1 into 6 into 1 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So minus 4x 2 minus 6 minus 4x 1 minus 3 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2 minus into minus let x into minus 4 minus y into minus 2 plus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. So minus 4x plus 2y equal to 0. So 2y is equal to 4x. So y is equal to 2x. So once again, first equation of a line means first take let x comma y be a point on the line. Take one point because of the straight line having the variable x and y. For example, the equation of a straight line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So that's why one point let x comma y. So x formula same, x y first point, second point and third point. X y1 for second point 1 2 1 3 6 1. So area of the triangles are how many types of problems? 4 types of problems. First problem direct area, 3 points are given. Second point is collinear. Third point find the value of k, and fourth one find the equation of a line joining the point. The four types. In 4 types are important. In 4 types are one type will be given in your examination. 2 marks question must compulsory 100%. Okay, simple. The 4 methods depending on the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Enough. Okay, thank you.